morning. We are spring day in Australia, beautiful one, and it's a Wednesday and I'm going for a ride. I'm happy with that. So we're myself and another guy going for a ride down towards Warwick Way. We're taking some back roads, which will be nice. Hopefully those back roads are in okay condition. We'll find out. And the plan is to have a brunch down at this little cafe just the other side of Warwick. But we're taking all these back roads to get there because the highway's, the highway. It's a bit boring. So yeah, we'll see how we fare with that. But anyway, yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's a little bit breezy. We had about 13 degrees this morning, so it's perfect spring weather. 13 to 26 today, which is ideal. But yeah, we'll see how we go. So now just out of Toowoomba, just on the edge of Toowoomba anyway, at Drayton area, and we'll turn right up here soon. We'll head out through Wairima, Cambodia, Nobby to Clifton, and then we'll go Clifton across to the back ways, which is the ones where it's like, this is going to be fun. It's still an 80 zone here. My gosh, what is that? I thought it was 100 here. I think it would be, given it's fairly rural, but it must be all the driveways of the houses and things. Beautiful views out here to the right. Really nice. So we're just coming in here into to Wairima. As you can see, it's a rural area, but it's sort of trying to be a bit of both. It's got suburbia to the left and in front of us, but on to the right it's all rural stuff. So there's some great little back roads around here. Used to cycle out this way many years ago on a push bike, but yeah, it's a nice little area. But it's grown in the last 10 to 15 years. It's really taken off. That's Cambodia there in front of us. Nice little spot, Cambodia. Oh yeah, it's open. Play on. Nice little railway bridge. So they were doing work on the railway bridge, the road per se. I know he's got giveaway sign, beauty. It's got Cambodia itself, so off to the left there. So work going on over there on the railway line, but also behind it the amount of bales of hay there. Whew. Certainly have made hay while the sun shines. You can see that across to the left there. But, yeah, plenty of hay. Bump. So we're around the back of Green Mountain Nobby at the moment, just heading through some of the country roads, and just absolutely beautiful, these farmlands. Depending on the amount of rain we get over the next month or so, a couple of months actually, they may plant sunflowers out this way again. Usually come for a ride out here in the new year to check out the sunflowers. They're absolutely magnificent when they take those. So myself and Andrew came out and had a bit of a look last year, and it was just unreal. Just acres of these beautiful big yellow flowers through this area just here. How good is that scenery down to the left there? Just magic. Oh, been amongst that soon. Just on some little single track at the moment, and it'll soon end at this corner, but yeah, got through it all by the looks of it. Happy with that. This is the one. There's always a big hole down here from where cars take off at the intersection. And if it's rained the night before, there's usually a massive big puddle of water there. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Bonjour, monsieur. So we're just on the edge of Nobby, but we're not going into Nobby. We're going to turn right and head down to Clifton. So, like I said, we've taken some back roads to get there, which is good. Yeah, and we're away. Alright, so Andrew's going to take us to a little coffee shop here in Clifton. We had a bit of an option of whether we got a coffee here or whether we went another hour and a half and gone. And Andrew said, oh, let's have one here. Okay, let's have one here. Oh, yes, here we are. It looks closed to me, Andrew. I don't know your luck in a big city. Alright, so we've had a quick stop at the Clifton Jam Factory. Went back to there and grabbed the coffee, and it was very nice. So we're now just going to wander our way down through Clifton here. I'll pick up Wendy and Andrew at the public toilets down the end here, and we will make our way to sunny Warwick via the back way. There's Dusty's coffee shop, but it doesn't appear to be working anymore. Anyway, looks nice, but it's been abandoned. Well, that's a nice little sunroom there. You get a lot of storms go down through here at Clifton. It's it's a lot of storms, which are a lot of rain, a lot of hail. So you've got to build your houses pretty tough down here. All right, we'll keep motoring on and see what some of these back roads bring. So I don't know if you can see it up there on the camera, but up in front there's a range of hills. So that's actually the Great Dividing Range. So we're west of it at the moment, and we go down pretty close to it where we're going down at Killarney. So we're going to go down through to Killarney and come in the back way to Warwick. Yeah, so that's the Great Dividing Range up there ahead of us. We're just on a little country back road at the moment between Clifton, heading across to the highway, and then we'll go straight across the highway, stop of course, and head in through some back ways. Hopefully those roads are okay, back down to Killarney all through the back way, so it should be a bit of fun. Alrighty, so we've come up here to the New England Highway, and we're going to go straight across the sucker, and we're away. Now, it's going to be a bit bumpy through here, some of these bits, like this bit. We are on very much country back roads. These are the roads you like to ride because it's relatively smooth so far. But yeah, just so scenic, such different stuff to see. We've got goats over there to the right. Thought they were sheep initially, but no, they're goats. And we've got wheat farms here on the... Well, they wheat? No, they're just like a lucerne. All dried out, ready to harvest. got up here? We got a horse stud. Oh mate, don't do that, don't you mate? This is just beautiful. What a magic day. Mid-20s. Nice weather, just a light zephyr of breeze. Oh, couldn't ask for anything more. So I have to admit, I've only ever come this way once before, and I was following another guy. Basically, Reg said, "Follow me," and we went this way. So if I get lost, whoops. Hopefully I don't. Got the GPS all working properly now. So hopefully it follows where we want to go. Here's one of the points where you go, oh, am I going to end up lost here? Am I going to end up on a dirt road? I have no idea. Hopefully I've got it right. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully I have. Very narrow roads, but they become a little bit rougher, so we're just taking our time through here. Ooh, here's one of these sharp culverts that you just want to take your time across. Yeah, you can bottom out one of those if you hit them a bit harder. Yeah, beautiful countryside, just out in the middle of nowhere. Thank you, Reg. Really appreciate what you did, mate. We took us through here that day. Keep on trucking. There's a lot of goat farms. There's another goat farm up here on the left. I wonder where all your goat meat comes for your curries and goat milk and goat stuff. But it's down this way. There's heaps of them. Beautiful view down there in front of us. Camera's probably not picking that up because it's a bit deeper, a bit further back, but beautiful view, just glorious. So yeah, we're sitting on about 70 to 80k through here because it's like, yeah, don't really need to go full bore. Reg's Magic Backroads. Reg, you are an absolute champion, mate. I'll send you a message tonight to say thank you. This is next level good. That's that old shed. Hey, that's classic Australian old shed. Been there for years, that thing. I've got a feeling that this is one of those give way type situations on the bridge. We may very well be the give-wayer of the bridge. No, oh mate, stop. Thank you, mate. You are absolutely, have a look at this creek. I'm going to go right. Look at a picture of the creek. That's beautiful. Big wave and a big thank you here to go on the four-wheel drive. Thank you, my friend. Very much appreciated. Didn't have to do that, but they did. We've gone through there and gone, nah, I'm bigger than you, I win, but they're very kind and courteous. This is through an area called Goombera. Apparently if you're into your camping, there's a really nice spot out here to go camping, out at Goombera. So yeah, apparently pretty damn good. They call it Gordon Country, I think they call it out here. The county or whatever it is called. What's the sign say? Oh, there's very little cedar route to the right. Yeah, that's us. We're going the cedar route. Okay, we're going right. Little old church that someone's converted to a house. Very different. Oh, pick your line, pick your word, pick the best of a bad bunch there. Oh no, it's not too bad. See, that's what good suspension does for you, peeps. It smooths it out. Now, Apparently we're turning right here. That's what the GPS is telling me. Looks about right. I remember that going around that house there with Reg. But yeah, I wish when I did that trip with Reg, I wish I'd have turned the camera on and been able to capture his commentary of the whole place. It was just amazing. It was like taking a trip back in time with it. I don't know how well that camera will pick that up, but we'll soon see. Just quickly tilt him up a bit. So that's the little rocky range that's over there to our left. Absolutely beautiful. Gee, this road's about as smooth as corrugated iron. Shocking. Look at this creek here. Beautiful. Oh, magic little creek. Farms here with the little hay on it. Oh. This is gold. Lights are flashing, sirens going. I don't know about sirens going, but the lights are flashing. Hope someone's okay. Not going too quick, so he's not in that big a hurry. Right, I'm going to go right. I think it's right and then a quick left. Yeah, it is. There's the thing. Come on, Andrew. Let's go. But you got a really good view of that rocky outcrop, that big knob up there. That's a bit rough. Stopping. Need to be on that road up there. We need to just do a small bit of dirt, or hey, is that okay? Okay, we're just going to go slow. Thanks, mate. Yeah. All right, so we're going to test out our stone guards. Andrew said, "We got stone guards. We're all right. Oh, let's go. Hopefully they work okay." Should do. We're just going to go slow on this dirt. Yeah, we had to go left and then right. There's the other way. So you can go either way, but just be aware that that one is dirt. Bam, bang. Good to go. Back on track. Whew. Something has died a painful death there at that corner. It stinks. Whew. Smell-o-vision. See Andrew going, where the heck are you taking me? Oh, we're getting there, Andrew. God, there's lots of little churches. There's another one. If they're on the left, the little church. Plenty of them. They're all the same. That one's actually still functioning as a church. A lot of them now, they're using them as houses. Good work going on. Let's see why. She was a bit rough. Hey boys, smoko time. Oh yeah, 10 o'clock, smoko. Look at that view. Oh, how good's that? That's nice. Bit of that stuff going on. So we're coming down towards this little thing. I think it's called Yanga, but I can't remember the exact name. But coming down towards there at the moment, so we'll turn left down the road here soon. Oh, we had a bit of fun through there. Ooh, someone's planted those trees. They're all in a beautiful straight line. The one's on the left there. So they've been planted as timber for harvesting. 60-year investment, those ones. Yeah, so we're basically taking the back way to the falls. Yeah, you go, mate. You go. Do your thing. Yangan Kalani. Whew. Breezy. Just turned that corner there and it's got really windy. Quite windy actually. But I thought it was keeping it cool. It looks like a really strong southeaster. What a bit of buffeting from that breeze. Get a fair bit off this truck too. Yep. Good to Yangan. Oh, that's cool. This is a proper country town, this one. Hey, it's got a hotel motel on the right there. Geez, just a ripper. Oh, what's that? Up the hill. Masonic Lodge. That's a very nice building. Right next door to the church there, the Settlers Church. Settlers route that goes that way. So, oh gosh, it's been a week down here just going around all these little roads and seeing all the different stuff. This is very, very pretty through here. I'll tell you what, in winter down here, I reckon this could get pretty cold. Not sort of the extent of, hey, we've got snow cold, but cold as in, you know you're alive sort of cold. Emu Vale. Here's the thing. I doubt you'll see an emu in Emu Vale, but we'll see what comes up. But I don't think we'll see an emu here. Another old church. That one's been done up into a house. Old school there by the looks of it. So they're doing a bit of harvesting down there to the right. Some big bits of machinery. Yeah, nice. There's a couple of these power poles that are a little bit on the lean. Yeah, I think they might be fixing a few of them. I think they've had a bit of breeze or something. They're about to keel over. Oh, that's Funny. You've changed. We could either go straight to that cafe, which is not far down the road now, it's about 15 minutes, or we can go and have a look at Dag Falls and then come back. Dag Falls. Go to Dag Falls. Alright. Just let me check them in. All good? All good? Alright. Let's go. Alright, so we're going up to have a look at Dag Falls. Plenty of battery left in there in the camera at the moment, so that'll get us up to Dag Falls. Hopefully there's some water falling over Dag Falls, and then we can come on back and go to that cafe. Have fuel, yeah, plenty of fuel to get us to somewhere where there's a fuel stop. Yep, they're good. One of those big hills in front. One of my favourite rides is up over the top of that waterfalls there through Killarney, etc., and down through Boona. It's a really nice ride through there. Way! Fucking. Well, he almost got me, and then he nearly got Andrew, so he's had a shock of that bloke. Anyway, there's Barry Crocker, that my old mate there, the four-wheel drive. I think he's on another planet. Ahead, 23, Boona, 68. I'd love to take Andrew and Lindy over the top of that, down to Boona. Browns Falls, Queen Mary Falls. Careful around here, everything's falling. Even here where they've done a bit of work to stop the road falling. Oh yeah, that's right, a little bit of twisty bendy. Get up to where we're going. The car road though, so I'm not too excited. This is pretty damn nice. Make sure I don't miss the turn off to it. Here we are at Dag's Falls. in the shade. We are here. Alright, so we're away. I think Andrew's ready, he's good to go. Just looking for a thumbs up. Andrew's good. And right in front of us there is Rob from Keep 'Em Together. I don't know, he's a good bloke. Thanks, Rob. See you later, Rob. Did I connect up with you, Andrew? No, I think I might have connected up with Rob. Oh, well, that was Dag Falls. Very nice. All right, boogaloo down the hill and away we go. I haven't got the earplugs in this time, so I can listen and see what I need to hear, just for a bit of a change. We're only going a small way back down the road. Oh, this is nice. Let's just chuck in another little surprise for Andrew, eh? We'll go this way. Go down this little back way here. It's quite nice. I think he'll appreciate this. Gosh, look at that up the valley there. That's just amazing. Bit of a dip through here, Andrew. Good to go. How good is that? Hey, up the creek there. Just beautiful. That's pretty damn good. Could have gone through the middle of Killarney again with a bit of traffic, but I thought, what the heck, we'll take the back way. I'm glad we did. It's very nice. Very nice through the back way. And, oh, there's a bump. Take it easy, Andrew. But it's a nice piece of road to view. And especially at the moment, because we've had a bit of rain, so everything's lovely and green. You got 26 degrees on the dash there, saying it's 26, so you go, how good's this? Yeah. perfect riding weather. It's like an old butter factory or something there on the left. It's usually what they are, butter or milk. Oh, look at that, old pictures of the shops and stuff. That's pretty damn nice. Lovely little spot, Killarney. Now, let's just gotta hope that the lunatics coming from the left realise that they've got a give way sign. So we'll keep an eye on them. Or a stop sign even. Alright, so we'll wander on off to the cafe, hopefully. This gives me the directions that I need. Lizards, a couple of motorbikes. Yeah, that's gold. There's some really good stuff to see down this way. Hopefully that music's not playing too loud in there. It's yeah, really nice spot to come for a ride. So that's our view heading back in towards Warwick there. Yeah, very scenic area. We're on the edge of the scenic rim back behind us. And this is pretty nice too. This is what they call the Southern Downs area. It's yeah, a nice area. Plenty to see and do. Good riding, whether it be on a road bike, off-road bike. There's plenty of places to go and ride. So here. There you go. So what's the name of this cafe? Wild Grounds. It's open. Oh, let's go and have a peek. If it's good, they'll take credit. If it's no good, we'll blame Cole. This just looks nice. Parking is on the here. Well, here you go. Go back a little bit further, not too much, but a little bit. There we go, tuck it under the tree. Bye. Andrew's got right back under the tree. Done good. Alright. Let's go and have a feed. Right, so Andrew's going to lead, but that was Wild Grounds Cafe, just out of Warwick. I highly recommend that place. Very simple and basic, but really nice. So Andrew's going to lead on the way back, which is good. Look like a bit of someone else leading. So yeah, hopefully we get through here okay. But yeah, it's a little bit tiny bit of dirt road, about 100 metres, 150 metres of dirt road. Just sit down it, so take your time. You're pretty right. Yeah, we're right, we're away. Alright, so we're just taking the highway back, take the simple way, and we'll be good to go. So right up Andrew there you go. That's Lindy's hairpiece out the back. Makes it look like she's got a big purple pigtail at the back. It's a ripper. Alright, so we're in Warwick. This is going to be a little bit interesting through here because lots of trucks, double lanes and stuff, so let's take our time to get through. Usually when we come to Warwick, usually, I like that word usually stop at a little garden place here on the left called Gardens Galore, and as you can see there's cars everywhere there, so I've been stopping there for a little while. Ooh, Alara, sunflower root, one day, not today. Alright, well that has been a really nice ride. We've still got about 70 kilometres to get home, but it's just highway riding, but it's been a nice ride, taking a few of those back roads, and now on the New England Highway, so head back up to Toowoomba. But the back roads and stuff that we took this morning, fantastic. It was great to meet that great this morning, you know, keep your knees together. Good to meet him this morning, mate, keep them together, and just doing that ride, and it was a beautiful day, not real hot, just nice warm temperature, not hot, and very, very relaxing day, and perfect weather. The company was fantastic, and I can't wait to do another one with them. It's just awesome. Glad they're leading the way home, just for a change. Put someone else in front. Oh, my buttocks is a bit sore. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed the back roads of around the southern Darling Downs, in the area just south of Toowoomba and around Warwick and Killarney. It has been an absolutely beautiful day, and hopefully you'll join me on a ride sometime. Alright, bye.